Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have my order from Selena, and she is AmourFabriques here on YouTube, and she has an Etsy shop where she sells kits and bundles and all sorts of things. I am in no way sponsored by her. I pay full price for everything I get, but yeah, I do like to show what I get from her, and you know, hope others will go over there and order from her too, because it's a good price. It's a really good price, and it's really good quality that you get. So, the first thing in her kit this month was, you get this adorable little wheel of pins, and all this trim here, and an applique. And she always packages everything so professionally. I mean, she's not a business. She does, well, I guess she is doing a business in her home. But she's not a professional company that does this. Just a regular crafter like us. So I'm not going to pull it all off of here because I don't want to unwind it. But you get a fair amount. It's a good, you know, piece of trim, 2 different trims. Yes, 2. So you have a blue and a green. You have this. And let me put my applique back on here so I don't lose it, because I'm not ready to use it yet. And then these are the Sari or India fabric. Guys, I don't know why I have such a hard time with these bags. I really don't open. There you go. See, sometimes you just have to put authoritative voice in it. So this is, I guess, like a snippet pack of different little trims. And this will go in my snippet box. So it's just little pieces that she put in, I guess, as extras, maybe. Or maybe it's part of the kit. I don't remember now. I order a lot of stuff, as you all well know. And then you have beautiful, beautiful silk sari. I'm assuming this is sari, but it's beautiful. And another piece. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a peacock. Yes, it is. Peacock on there. That is so pretty. And it's even prettier with the green underneath it, so that's probably how we use it. And I have this piece. She takes time to iron everything she does too. Oh, I love this piece. I don't know if the camera's picking up that embroidery on there or not, but this is gorgeous. And then more green. Now, I'm not a fan of green, but when it comes to sari, it can be green all day long. I don't care. That's beautiful. This is pretty cool. It's like a hand stitched little swatch. And then my bag is already ripped, so I'm just going to rip it some more. Get it out. Okay, there's all kinds of, wait a minute, I think I know what this is. Okay. Yeah, this is the yarn you buy to make those crochet neck scarves with that ruffle on you. I used to make these a few years back when they were all the rage to sell at craft shows. But it'd be pretty to tie up a package with. There's right much of it there. And then there is right much of this here. Which I had already ordered some of this, but this is still good. You use it for tying up packages and stuff. Or you can use it for trim on stuff. This is also blue yarn. And then you have the pink, variegated. Some people call this eyelash trim, but it's actually scarf yarn. I make scarves, so we were nursing on patients, so yeah, I know. And then this piece, this will go into a friend in Happy Meal that collects the loves purples. Okay, now to woohoo, the good stuff. Check this out. Absolutely beautiful. I am making a sari, not so much quilt, but I am making, because we're in Florida, I am making a bed cover. All of it's going to be from sari. And trying to make it as best I can in the size of the swatches I buy, rather than cut them. It's going to be what I call a crazy quilt, because it's going to be all different sizes. This is beautiful. Oh, I love this. I think this is like the small piece, only bigger. This is beautiful. And some of these pieces like this, I also make homemade stockings. So this will be the top piece for one of the stockings, because there's enough there to do it. I like to fill stockings with sugar-free hard candies to take to the nursing home. I love this. It was something I started doing when my mother was in a nursing home, and now I mail boxes back to that same nursing home. I just like doing it. You know, there's a lot of people in nursing homes that no longer have any family, so I like making sure they get a little something at the holiday. I'm going to put this piece behind it so you can actually see the beauty in this piece here. I would love to have a full of this. Look at that. Okay, now. Oh heavens, look at this one. It's beautiful. And I was watching her cut fabrics yesterday. She really is very good. This is like an upholstery type. It's still beautiful. Maybe for a traveler's notebook cover? Yeah, it'd be good. Again, it's too thick for anything in Florida to make as far as the quilt goes. I mean, look at all of this you get, and our prices are not high, guys. Ooh. It's like a, crushed velvet, velveteen. This part isn't, but this is. That's unique. Oh, I like this one too. This almost feels like a paper fabric. Wow. Either that or there's a lot of starch on it, but this is really neat. Here's a white one like that, or cream. I love these with the race embroidery like in them. I don't know. I like them. Okay, we have this color, like a rust, which will make a good lining for a journal with this. I like how she color coordinates her packages too. She takes her time and puts them together with thought in them. Is what you can use them for. This is embroidered. Very pretty. I love this. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Yes, it is. That'd make a cute traveler's notebook cover too. sure what this is, if this is upholstery cover. I think it is. Then you have these large pieces. She has on her website what these are called, but I can't remember right now. So these are pretty neat. I like these. I like the leaf pattern on the side of it. Uh-oh, y'all see what I see down there? These are right neat. Another piece that's kind of like an upholstery cover. What do my wondering eyes see but pink? Pink, 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 pink. Beautiful pink. Check out the pattern in this pink. Isn't it gorgeous? It's kind of like a tablecloth pattern. I mean fabric. Very pretty. I like the color. I like the design on this one. And one, nope, there's two more. Very nice. There's a little bit of purple in it. But if you turn it over, look at this side, you would think there was a whole lot more. But on this side, it's just showing little pieces in the corners here. Very nice. I like that. And then, I'm assuming this is upholstery too. Has like a raised groove on it. So they make an entire journal cover there. So, I mean, look at all the projects you can make out of one little bag. She says, well, it's not even a little bag, it's a big bag that she found. Sorry for the noise, guys. I know you hate it. But, to me, it's worth it. So, if you do a lot of projects, this is the way to go, because you get a variety in her kits that you can use for various projects, and you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of different things. You just buy one kit. Okay, I'll see you soon, and thank you again for watching.